Phillips & Son Drilling's been around for 20 plus years. My dad started the business. I've been involved the whole time. We drill water wells, we do water treatment, we do from start to finish. 24-hour pump service. We try to take care of all the farms. I love taking care of the people, the town. I love making sure they're up and running. We thrive on being there. If it's 1 o'clock in the morning, we're there fixing the water so the guy can start milking at 4 o'clock. Over the years, technology has advanced so much with all the new pumps. We installed this SQ pump on this horse farm because they had had issues with other pumps. They kept having burned up issues, and so I consulted with my Grundfos rep, and we ended up coming to the conclusion that we could run the SQ soft start pump with this battery backup and solar panel setup.
The old pump that we had in the well started taking more and more time to start pumping every time we were on backup power, and we realized that the pump was basically failing. We did some research with the solar company. We identified that we needed to have a soft start pump, and through a friend I got Brian's contact. The Grundfos pump that we installed a year ago has performed flawlessly. I have no flickering. It doesn't seem to be affected by the battery system whatsoever. We've had 2 or 3 power outages in the year since we installed it. And the only time we really realize there's something different is we have water. We really have to have the well. If you have a major power outage, for people you could go out and get bottled water, but we can't go out and get bottled water for the horses. Now with the backup system and a well pump that we can trust, we don't even think about it when there's a power outage.
The SQ pump was the perfect application for this job because of our low voltage and low startup capability running off a solar panel and batteries. John didn't have to buy more batteries to add to his system, so he saved lots of money when he could run off the pump that we put in. The SQ pump is also under 15 pounds, which makes it a lot easier to handle, easier to install. You got all the soft start in a conventional 3-inch pump, great built-in protection features. The SQ pump has a wide voltage range from 150 to 280. Voltage protection, temperature protection. John's been great, he's been happy, everything works fine. We've been using Grundfos for a long time because it's a very reliable product. They keep up on technology, they stay on top of everything. The SQ pump is the only pump that we use.